Today with Annie Bennett. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover with Canva on your mobile phone. So let's do it together. So first we're gonna go to Google Chrome browser. We're gonna open Google Chrome browser on our mobile phone and we're gonna go to canva.com on there. See down here, we're going slide to look for Facebook cover. Okay, just be careful because they have two Facebook cover. The first one is Facebook event cover. So this one will be suitable for event and for your group, but we're going to choose Facebook cover, which is this one. So click open and then you will see lovely template here. But today I'm going to work on this one. Okay, open. Now, the next step, I'm going to delete something that I don't want to be on here. So click on this one. Okay, and click on the bin because I'm going to delete and delete element. Okay, just delete element on here. And the second one, click on this one as well. Okay, and again, go to the bin. And again, just delete element. Now I'm going to leave that one for now because I have to put my Facebook fan page name, so I'm gonna move it down a little bit here. Okay, so we're going to change the picture because my Facebook fan page is not about vegetable or food, so definitely I'm going to change the picture. So how are we gonna do that? Click on the image here, right? And then you will see replace. Okay, click on the replace. So instead of change the background, we're not going to choose background this time. We're going to choose a photo. Okay, click on photo. I want you to type in computer. And I want you to choose this one. Okay, now I want you to double click on here. You will see the highlight pop up here so that we can move. Okay, so that we can move around. So just move down a little bit there. Okay, but the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my image inside this screen, inside this computer screen. Okay, so click on this plus button and then click on element. And we're going to choose one grid here, the first one. Okay, now what we're going to do, we have to move this to make it small. Now, look at that. Perfect, right? So, and next step, I'm going to put my image right here. So click on this plus button again and click on the add button, plus button, add button, the same thing, right? And the next step, we're going to click on uploads. And I have my own image already, so I'm going to choose this one. So if you have your own images, you can click upload button here and you can upload the image from your mobile phone. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, now before I fit that in, I'm gonna make my image a little bit bigger. I'm gonna try to put that in now. Okay, this maybe. Okay. This is what I want it to look like. I want it to look like that myself is popped out from the computer. So wonderful, right? So it make you look different and look unique and special. So yeah, it look cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And the next step, I'm going to put my Facebook fan page name. I have two Facebook fan pages. The first one is Annie Bennett Mediapreneur. That one is for a Thai fan base. Okay, that I will be all speaking in Thai. But this one I'm going to put just Annie Bennett. Okay, so definitely it's not my font. So I'm gonna change my font. and it is a bit too big definitely, so we're gonna, okay, now okay, it looks a bit bring it down a little bit. Okay, and now the next step, what I'm going to do, click on this add button again, and I'm going to choose element. Oops. Choose element, and I'm going to go for shapes, and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to make the shape okay, and I'm going to change the color for sure, okay, to be my brand color. Okay, click on this one. If you know your hex code, I know my hex code is F9E5FF. Okay, and the next step I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to change my font color. So I'm gonna click on my font, and I'm gonna change to a bit darker for sure. Okay, and now I'm going to make this transparent a little bit more like that. So maybe my name's a bit too big, we can make it smaller. Let's see. Okay, that's looks pretty good now. Okay, now if you notice something about the image look quite dull, look quite dark, so we can fix it, right? So I want you to click on the image here, effect, filter, adjust. I want you to adjust. If you can notice here, the brightness and the contrast, it should be all here in the center. Oh, and one thing as well, if you like a bit of blurry looking, you can blur it as well. I'll show you. You see that? If you blur, it will just look so amazing as well. But I'm not gonna go for blur. What I'm gonna make it brighter. I'm gonna make it look no more. I want to look no more for once. You see that? Oh, Annie Bennett, she just popped out from computer. Oh my gosh, she's so amazing. Right, so that is the one, and then we're going to click on this home button when we finish, because it's going to automatically save our work, and we're going to leave this browser, and we are going to Canva application on a mobile phone, open up, and we're going to click on designs, and then the first top design, the first one here that we just made, click open. Now it's appears. So the next step, what you have to do, click on here, okay, and you will just save your work, save your designs on your mobile phone, and you can upload to your Facebook cover. Okay, this is just the basic and something that you can make kind of like classic, clean, fresh, professional. Go and check our work. It's right here. Beautiful, right? So how was it, everyone? I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope by the time you finish watching my video, you should be able to create a lovely Facebook cover for your Facebook fan page. So if you like my video, please give me a like and share, and if you want to show me your work, you can comment below here. I would love to see your work, and I will see you next video. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ